Hello friends, everything I'm going to share today comes from the experience of technicians who work at this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to find the solution. Here's the first thing to understand. This usually points to a communication issue between the water level sensors and the control board. At the shop, we've seen clients come in worried because the machine stops mid-cycle or doesn't even start. An F6E1 appears on the display, which can be confusing and a bit alarming. Looking at client feedback, we've seen messages like, "It started filling and suddenly F6E1, I had no idea what was happening." From our experience, this happens when the machine detects inconsistent water level readings, and to protect its components, it pauses the cycle until the issue is checked. In many cases, the pressure sensor or a clogged water filter is to blame. We've seen clients notice that after several cycles with food residue, the error started appearing. Our shop technicians explain that small particles can interfere with the level sensor, making the dishwasher think there's more or less water than there actually is. Cleaning the filter and the sensor usually clears the error. Sometimes the cause is related to the water supply or the inlet valve. Some clients say, everything was working fine, but now it takes too long to fill. At the shop, we've observed that a partially open or low pressure valve can cause erratic readings, triggering F6E1. Checking that the valve works correctly and that there are no obstructions is key to restoring normal operation. In less common situations, the problem may be with the control board or the wires connecting the pressure sensor. Clients mention that the error appears intermittently, for no apparent reason, even when water is flowing normally. Shop technicians always note that a loose wire or a board receiving confused signals can trigger the code, and Whirlpool recommends checking connections before replacing parts. In the meantime, turning off the machine, checking the water level sensor, cleaning filters, and making sure the valve is functioning properly, followed by restarting the cycle, resolves most everyday cases. This prevents unnecessary trips to the shop and ensures your dishwasher continues to work reliably.